Welcome to English for All with Khadija USA, learning step by step at your own pace.
Eyes Open 1, Unit 4, Lesson 20, Food.
Welcome back to Eyes Open 1, A1 learners, especially designed for 7th grade. Open up your students' books, Unit 4, Food. Student book, page 42. Unit 4, Food, Discovery Education. In this unit, you will be seeing 4 different videos: Fishing in Japan, Dabbawallas, Your Lunch, and CLIL, Mountains of Rice. We will cover vocabulary of food, snacks and takeaways, meals and courses, expressions with have to, international words, and language focus for our grammar will be countable and uncountable nouns, a and an, some, any, there is and there are, much, many, a lot of. Our unit aims at the learner learning, identifying different kinds of food, and use simple expressions with have. Talk about meals and courses. Talk about countable and uncountable nouns. Understand about food in the UK and other countries. Order food and drinks in a restaurant. Then writing a report about a celebration and using the basic time connectors. What can you see in this picture? How many of the foods in the picture can you name? Which are healthy? Which ones do you like and dislike? Student book, page 43. Vocabulary, food, section 1. Go ahead and take a listen to the audio. Look at the pictures, match the pictures with the food and drink words in the box. Then listen, check, and repeat.
CD 1, Track 35. Listen, check, and repeat. 1. Beans. 2.
Chicken.
3. Cheese. 4.
Pasta.
5. Rice. 6.
Apples.
7. Banana. 8.
Carrot.
9. Milk. 10.
Eggs.
11. Butter. 12.
Bread.
13. Fish. 14.
Meat.
15. Pizza.
So now go ahead and pause the video and do section 1 and section 2. Copy and complete the table. Which food in the pictures are healthy? Which is not very healthy? So you have dairy, which is any food that has milk in it. Fruit, vegetables, meat and fish, and then you have the others, grains, breads, and others that do not have either of the other 4 groups. So go ahead, pause the video, do your exercise, and resume for your corrections. Corrections, section 1 and 2. Student book, page 44. Lunches around the world. Go ahead, take a listen to the article about school lunches. Match the people with their lunches. Look at the photos. What food can you see? Then in section 3, read the article again and choose the correct answers. Pause the video, do sections 1 through 3, and then resume for your corrections.
CD 1, track 36. Listen to the article. Lunches around the world. A.
Simon is from England. He takes a packed lunch to school. In his lunchbox there are usually 2 sandwiches, some fruit, a chocolate bar, and some juice. In the summer, Simon eats his lunch with his friends in the playground. Today, Simon has got some cheese sandwiches, an orange, and some apple juice. But he says, "I'm not happy because I haven't got a chocolate bar."
B. Juliet is from France. She has a hot lunch in the school canteen with her friends. They usually have soup, then some meat or fish with vegetables and a salad. For dessert, they have some ice cream or a piece of fruit. Juliet says, "Today I've got tomato soup, chicken with salad, an apple, and some ice cream." C.
Kazuyo is from Japan. She takes a bento box to school. In it, there is usually some rice, vegetables, and fish or meat. It's healthy and fun. Japanese parents make the rice into different shapes: popular cartoon characters, animals, flowers, and buildings. The children have fun eating them. Kazuyo says, "I've got some rice and some fish, but I haven't got any meat today. My rice is in the shape of a panda. It's really cute."
Correction, section 1 through 3. Explore expressions with have to. Section 4. Read the article again. Find 2 phrases with have. Section 5. Complete the sentences with the words below. Go ahead and pause the video, do those exercises, and then resume for your corrections. Student Book, page 46. Listening. A conversation. Look at the picture. Where are the teenagers? What do you think they are talking about? Section 2. Listen to the conversation between Tim and Michelle. Who has got food? What does Tim want? And then, are the sentences about Michelle or Tim? Go ahead and put M for Michelle and T for Tim. One is given as an example, has got a packed lunch. So go ahead and do 2 through 7. Pause the video at this time. Resume for your corrections once you are done.
CD 1, track 37. Listen to the conversation.
Hey, Michelle. Are you ready for this trip?
Hi, Tim. You bet. I've got my packed lunch and £5 to spend on presents.
Oh, I haven't got a packed lunch. There are a lot of cool places to eat in London.
Well, I haven't got much money. That's why I've got a packed lunch. I don't want to spend any money on food.
I'm hungry now. Are you?
No, I'm not. I always have a big breakfast.
I want a snack. Is there a fast food place near here?
No, there isn't.
Oh, dear. How much food have you got, Michelle?
Well, let's see. I've got a lot of food. My mum is very good. Let's see. There's a small salad as a starter. Then I've got some chicken sandwiches as my main course. And yogurt with fruit for dessert.
That's very healthy. Are there any sweets?
No, my mum never gives me unhealthy food.
Michelle, how many sandwiches have you got?
I haven't got many sandwiches, only 4.
Can I have one, please?
I don't know. This is my lunch. How much money have you got?
I've got £20.
Okay, give me £5 for a chicken sandwich.
£5? That's a lot of money for one chicken sandwich.
I know. I want to buy a burger for dinner on the way home.
But there isn't a fast food place on the way home and you haven't got any money.
There's a great fast food place on the way home. And you've got a lot of money.
Vocabulary, Meals and Courses, Section 4. Copy and complete the table. Put the words from the listening into the correct columns. There is one extra word. What is it? So you will have meals. Meals are like, for example, that is given, breakfast. Times that we eat during the day. Courses are parts of a meal. So go ahead and pause the video at this time and resume for your corrections once you have finished this assignment.
CD 1. Track 38. Listen, check and repeat.
Meals. Breakfast. Lunch. Dinner. Courses. Starter. Main course. Dessert. Snack.
Activity book, page 37. Food. Vocabulary, Section 1. Find the words for food in the word square. So crossword, in the crossword below, find the food that is above in the pictures. Section 2. Complete the text about Joe's food habits with the words in the box. Number 1 is done as an example. Section 3. Read the clues and write the names of the food. Workbook page 39. Listening and vocabulary. Meals. Section 1. Put the dishes in the correct place in the table. Notice the table below the pictures. We have starter. A starter is a pre-meal, a meal that is before the main course, and usually is a light. Appetizer is also another name for the starter. It is usually consisting of, as a result, example used is a salad. Also, they sometimes have soup. The main course is the main eating, usually something, for example, very hearty, chicken, beef, meats. And then dessert is usually pastries, what we call them. And snacks is something light that are in between each meal. So go ahead and look at the pictures and put them in the correct columns. Section 2. Match the food on page 37 with the foods below. Breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Now, Section 3. Go ahead and listen. Listen to the conversation. Match the pictures 1 through 3 with the speakers. And then, in Section 4, complete the table with the correct food and drinks for each person. Section 5, answer the questions. Number 1 is done for you as an example.
Track 6. Listen and match.
Okay, everyone, it's break time.
Oh, great! I'm so hungry.
Track 6. Listen and match.
Okay, everyone, it's break time.
Oh, great! I'm so hungry. Let's see, what's for lunch? Okay, a sandwich.
What's in it, Charlie?
Cheese. Yum. And just a little bit of butter on the bread.
Charlie loves cheese.
Yes, I do. I've got a bottle of water and some fruit, of course. A banana and... oh, a chocolate bar.
Chocolate? Give me a bit, please.
No way, Simon. Well, maybe. What have you got?
I've got a bean salad. It's really nice. Would you like to try it, Charlie?
Okay, I'll try a bit. That's really good, Simon.
And I've got some orange juice. And I've got an apple. What about you, Helen? Well, I've got a chicken sandwich, chocolate milk, and what's this? Oh yeah, a big piece of cake. It's from my dad's birthday party yesterday. Can I have some cake? Okay, Simon. Thanks, Helen. I don't want your chocolate now, Charlie.
Fine, more chocolate for me.
Activity book, page 41, reading, section 1. Read the text about pizzas. Tick the cities and countries in the text. Section 2. Complete the definitions with the words in bold italics from the text. Section 3. Read the text again and answer the questions. Number 1 is done as an example. Section 4. Read the information in the text again. Are these sentences true or false?
Thank you for watching this video. See you again. Please don't forget to tick subscribe, like, and hit the golden bell for more videos. See you in the next video.